Hello guys, today we are going to work this topic. This is a new formula. I'm gonna try to explain you the best that I can, okay? But please, before to start, I would like to invite you to subscribe, okay? Now we go to work this binomial square, a minus b. I'm going to show you a minus b square. This is a binomial. You have a parenthesis, remember? Square. It is equal to a trinomial, 1, 2, 3 terms. The first term is square. You have a negative, here you should have a negative, okay. 2 times, the coefficient should be 2 times number 2. AB, the multiplication of these two elements, 2 terms, plus the second term square. Remember, you have a binomial square, your answer should have 3 terms. A trinomial. Now let's apply here this formula to some situations, some examples here. I prepare for you guys. Alright, hopefully you can see it. Okay. We have there the formula. I'm gonna highlight some parts of the formula for you guys. We have a minus b squared is equal to a squared minus 2 times a times b plus b squared. All right, so now we transfer to some these situations. Number 1, we have 10 times x squared minus 2xy squared. Oh yeah, we have the same structure and we have to apply the formula, but we are gonna use parentheses. The first term square minus 2 times the first times the second term plus the second term square. So that's the structure of the formula. Now we are going to fill up the spots and we are going to answer. So the first term is 10x squared. So I'm gonna copy here 10x squared. Here 10x squared. The second term is 2xy squared. So 2xy squared. 2xy squared. Don't forget to write the square, okay? Now we have to operate with no mistakes. 10 squared is 10 times 10 is 100. X squared is x with exponent 4. Minus. We don't have here exponent 2 or exponent 3, so we can do the multiplication. 2 times 10 is 20. 20 times 2 is 40. 40. Now the letter x squared times x. Remember, when you don't have exponent is 1, so you have to add 2 plus 1, 3. X cubed. Now y squared, you just copy y squared. Finally, it's plus. Remember the formula here, it says plus. 2x squared is 2 times 2, 4. X squared. Y, you have one square here, another here, you have to multiply. 2 times 2, 4. So your solution is a trinomial. So let's check again. We have a binomial, a difference square. It is equal to the first term square minus 2 times the first times the second plus the second term square. So we apply with no mistakes this exponent, these ones, and also we multiply. When you don't have anything here, you have to multiply. So 10 squared is 100, x squared is x4. Because when you have exponents, you have to multiply both exponents. You don't have to add, remember. You have to multiply. 2 times 10 is 20, times 2 is 40, x squared, x1, because you don't have exponent, you have exponent 1, is x cubed, y squared, plus 2 squared is 4, x squared, y 4. Okay? That's the first example. Let's work the second example. In this second example, we are going to apply the same formula because we have a difference square. I'm going to use the parentheses, the first square minus 2 times the first times the second plus the second term square. That's the structure of the formula. So I'm going to fill up. The first term is x squared, this one. I'm going to copy x squared here and x squared here. And the second term is the number 2. You just copy here and you just fill up. Remember, the first term is going here in the first 2 spots, and the second term going to the second 2 spots. Remember, when you have a difference, you have to have a difference first, minus here, and plus here. Okay? Now let's complete it. This is equal to x, 2 times 2 is 4, minus, remember, 2 times 2, you have to operate all of these here. 2 times 2 is 4, x squared, you just copy a square, because you don't have any other letter to multiply, plus 2 squared is 2 times 2, 4. So your answer is x with exponent 4 minus 4x squared plus 4. It's a trinomial. Next example. Number 3. We have 4ax minus 3 to the exponent 2. Okay? So I'm going to use the parentheses again. The first square minus 2 times the first times the second plus the second square. So we have to fill up the blanks. So the first term is 4ax. 4ax. Here also 4ax. Remember, the two first spots has to have the same first. And the second is the number 3. You don't need to write negative because you already has negative here. Just the number 3. Okay? Remember, the formula says when you have a difference square, you have first here negative, and after positive square. Okay? Now we apply the squares. This is equal 4 squared, 4 times 4, 16. A squared, x squared. This exponent is going to affect to all of these elements, 4a and x, minus. Now, 2 times 4, 8 times 3, 24. 24, now the letters ax, plus 3 times 3, 3 squared is 3 times 3 is 9. Look at this, we have a trinomial. The first term is 4 squared, 4 times 4 is 16, a squared, x squared minus 2 times 4 is 8, 8 times 3 is 24, ax, and 3 squared is the number 9. Next. Example number 4. Remember to subscribe to my channel, please. Okay, now we go to work in example number 4. And again, we have a difference square, so we have to say this is the first term square minus 2 times the first times the second plus the second term square. So we have to fill up the spots. 3a cubed here, 3a cubed, 3a cubed. The second 2b squared, 2b squared, 2b squared. This is very easy. The difficult part is the next step. Okay, I want that you focus in this next step. 3 squared is 3 times 3. Mentally is 9. A cubed squared, you just write the same letter and you multiply the exponents. 3 times 3, 6. Minus. Now here in this case, every number, every coefficient you have to multiply. So 2 times 3 is 6. 6 times 2 is 12. And after that you write the number, you copy the letters in order. A cubed, B squared in order. Look at this, AB in that order. Plus 2 squared is 4B. Remember that the exponents you have to multiply. When you have a parenthesis, you have to multiply. 2 times 2 is 4. So your answer is 9A with exponent 6 minus 12A cubed B squared plus 4B with exponent 4. No mistakes, okay? Negative and positive. Next example, number 5. We have here 2A minus 1 squared. Again, we are going to remember our formula. The first term squared minus 2 times the first time the second plus the second term squared. And the first term is 2A. So you're going to write down here 2A here and here. Remember the first term is going to the first two spots. And the number 1 is going to be here. So your answer should be, remember, 2 squared is 2 times 2, 4. A, remember, A should be a square because A should be affected by this exponent. Okay, this is the common mistakes that the people do. They don't write the number 2. They forget it. Minus. Remember, coefficients with coefficients. Here we have to multiply 2 times 2, 4 times 1, 4 mentally. Remember, don't forget to write the letter A. Okay, you don't have to forget any letter. And 1 squared is 1 times 1. 1 times 1 is 1. So your answer is 4A with exponent 2, 4A squared minus 4A plus 1. Your answer is a trinomial. Finally, don't forget to subscribe, guys. We are going to solve this situation. Y squared minus 3, the whole expression to the exponent 2. So this is equal the first term squared minus 2 times the first times the second plus, remember it's plus. Sometimes they do mistakes, like just with the negatives and positives. Remember the first term should be equal in both spots and the number 3 as well. Remember this is y, 2 times 2, 4, minus 2 times 3, 2 times 3, 6, y squared plus 3 squared is 3 times 3, 9. That's great. Okay, we finally finished all of these examples. But I want to, before that we finish this situation, these examples, I want to show you again the formula. A minus b squared is equal to a squared minus 2 times ab plus b squared. Okay guys, please don't forget to subscribe.